Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if maps could do more than show you where things are? What if they could predict the future? Imagine real-time flood risk detection or smart city traffic rerouting, all powered by Python. These 15 GIS libraries are the superpowers behind the world's smartest maps. We're talking about dynamic systems that spot patterns humans miss: climate dashboards, wildfire prediction, urban planning, and even satellite time lapses of city growth. Python turns raw satellite images and location data into actionable intelligence. I'm Sumya, and today on Native GIS, I'll guide you through the 15 Python libraries changing the game in geospatial tech. If you work in urban planning, disaster response, or smart infrastructure, this is your new toolbox. Let's dive in. The foundation of vector analysis in Python is GeoPandas. Think pandas, but with geographic shapes as columns. Want to find every school within 500 meters of a highway? GeoPandas makes it easy. Its sidekick, Shapely, handles the geometry calculating areas, checking if polygons overlap, and more. Together, they turn complex spatial questions into a few lines of code. This duo is your geometry dream team for spatial analysis. GIS data comes in dozens of formats: shapefile, GeoJSON, GeoTIFF. How do you make them work together? Enter GDAL and OGR for vectors, the universal translator for geospatial data. It reads, writes, and converts nearly every GIS file type, powering most major GIS tools behind the scenes. If your script opens a weird file without complaint, thank GDAL. Ever tried overlaying two maps and they just don't line up? That's a projection problem. PyProj, the Python interface to the Proj library, reprojects your data so everything aligns perfectly. It's essential for combining data from different sources. PyProj ensures your maps match up pixel perfect. Raster data, satellite images, elevation models can be huge and complex. Rasterio makes reading and manipulating these files in Python intuitive, treating images like NumPy arrays. EarthPy builds on Rasterio for earth science, letting you calculate vegetation health or monitor drought in just a few lines. Together, they simplify remote sensing workflows. It's like having a remote sensing lab on your laptop. Analysis is great, but you need to show your results. Folium lets you turn your data into beautiful, interactive web maps, pan, zoom, add markers, and more. It binds Python data to leaflet.js, powering interactive maps everywhere. Output a single HTML file to share or embed. Folium makes your work shine for any audience. Pandas and NumPy aren't GIS specific, but they're the backbone of geospatial analysis. NumPy powers fast array operations. Pandas handles tabular data. They work behind the scenes in almost every GIS workflow. Clean 1 million building permits with pandas, then merge with GeoPandas for spatial analysis. Mastering them is non-negotiable for serious data work. What if your data is too big for memory? Billions of points or massive satellite images. Dask and dask-geopandas break data into chunks and process them in parallel, scaling analysis to clusters. Datashader renders billions of points into clear, informative images. Think Uber heat maps without crashing your laptop. These tools let you analyze and visualize planetary-scale data. Big data, tamed. Now your analysis can scale as big as your ambition. Have a list of addresses but no coordinates? You need geocoding. GeoPy connects your script to services like Google Maps or OpenStreetMap, converting addresses to lat/lon, or vice versa. Batch geocode thousands of addresses in minutes. It's the bridge between human addresses and digital maps. Want to classify land cover in satellite images? Enter scikit-image. It brings powerful image processing and segmentation tools to Python. Detect edges, segment regions, and classify pixels automatically. It's like Photoshop for scientists, at scale. Streets and power grids are networks. Analyzing them is key to urban planning. OSMNX downloads real-world street data from OpenStreetMap and models it as a graph. NetworkX analyzes these graphs, find shortest paths, critical intersections, or simulate traffic. Together they unlock the logic of cities, essential for smart infrastructure. These tools are solving real-world problems, right now. Cities use OSNX and GeoPandas for walkability and transit planning. Agriculture companies use Rasterio and scikit-image for precision farming. Environmental agencies monitor deforestation and pollution. This is applied science at a global scale. After the 2023 Turkey-Syria earthquake, rapid damage assessment was critical. Scientists used EarthPy and Rasterio to compare satellite images before and after the quake. Algorithms flagged collapsed buildings in hours, not weeks, guiding rescue teams. GIS became a life-saving tool. Singapore uses Python GIS for smart city planning. OSMNX maps pedestrian networks. Folium builds interactive dashboards. Planners simulate movement, optimize walkways, and model congestion. It's proactive, data-driven urban design. Python GIS is exposing environmental injustice. Agencies use geopandas to map polluting industries, PyProj to align with census data, and DataShader to visualize pollution density. The result, undeniable maps that drive policy change. Data science becomes a tool for equity. This is advocacy powered by code. Open-source Python GIS has democratized powerful mapping tools. These libraries are your lens to understand and change the world. Don't just read maps, code them. Smash subscribe for more GIS deep dives and comment with the library you'll try next. These 15 libraries form a powerful interconnected ecosystem. Combine them to turn raw data into actionable stories. The next breakthrough could come from your script. Pick a project, get hands-on, and share your journey. See you in the next episode of Native GIs.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.